you get into the trade, and after which you let the trade runs its course according to what you have planned. So you realize this is something that is very important. You do not try to let your emotions decide what you do in the midst of the trade. And this is also something that you shared earlier on that you mentioned. As you see the trade moving after you get into a trade, you feel anxious. All right. You are not sure whether it's going to go up and hit your profit target, is going to touch your stop loss, or you're going to get out. So you feel anxious. But if you think about it objectively, if you have already established where your profit target is, if you have established where your stop loss is, what is it that you need to feel about? There's nothing. You just let the market run its course. So that's the part where having a very well-defined process enables you to try to eliminate a bit more of your emotions and leave it aside. So you have control over it. So once it touches the profit taking, great, it's a profitable trade. Move on, that trade is over. Okay, the tendency is that a lot of us like to let the past trade, the last trade, affect what we do in the next trade. And that is totally wrong, because every trade is on its own. It's not related to the previous trade. But emotionally, as part of the human, we always relate the last trade to the next trade. All right, so either hit the profit or hit the stop loss, get out. After which, what do? You actually, the next step of the process is make sure you keep track and record down all the trade specifics of this particular trade that you have exceeded.